Everybody, we're back. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. We are back here. We are going to do mostly the practical part, especially on how to start a computer and to create folders and files. So if it's your first time using it, don't worry, don't get scared, just come closer. If you've never seen on the PC where to start, you come to either Google and you type search button, you get the images. Scroll down and look for more. The computer is kind of slow. Yeah, this one can be used simply if you learn on any computer and you see this, you check for where this sign is on a computer, you click on it. So when you click on that on a computer, if the computer doesn't have a password or a pin set to it, it will open automatically. But if it is set to with a password or a pin, you have to put that password or pin, then it opens. And then when it opens, when you see this space, this one is the desktop of a computer. Then on the desktop you see very many things. If a computer doesn't been used for sometimes, you see these apps and them. And then down here mostly we get the window button. Yeah, when you tap on it you get other apps also. And then here you get the search bar. This is the search bar. When you want to look for anything, or search for anything, you type here, it brings the computer. Like when you typing this PC, even if before you finish, it will show itself. And then the computer is kind of slow. Then down here we get we get the taskbars. Yeah, like we're using OBS. You see, it shows these taskbars. They show you the apps that you're using recently. Yes, and here we get the icons. These icons here, like this one, English. When you tap on it, show you that this keyboard is set to be used in English. And then here we get the speaker. Like when you want to adjust on the speaker, you go to this. This one is for the internet connection. This one shows you the battery remaining that you okay, when you insert you want to charge your PC, it also shows you. This one are the icons. And then now when we come to creating your folder, when you want to create your folder, you right click on the empty space. It brings you okay, you can also refresh your PC after opening it. You click on you right click and then you click on refresh. It refresh your computer. And then when you want to open a folder, you right click, it brings you go to new, and then you follow new, come to folder, you click on it, and then it brings new folder. And then you enter your you name your folder. Like for my case, I'm going to name Oliver. Yeah, I name it Oliver, and then you press enter. Yeah, that is it. And on your folder you can also create a file. And then creating a file, you click on on your folder, it brings you this. And then on the empty space of your folder, you right click, After right clicking, you follow what? New. But in your folder, you can also create another folder. When you follow new, you come to what? Like you follow new. You follow new, then you come to, sorry for interruption, you can also create another folder here. You see folder, but for this we want to create a file, and a file can be either for PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft publisher document, what, like for this case we are going to watch, okay, let's use PPT presentation. You see it comes automatically, and you can rename it. You want the PP to use what, you can do what, rename it, like sales. And then you enter. And then you enter. By this you have created what, another, you have created a file in your folder. Yes, and then that is it. You can also create another folder there. That is done. And I think for today, no, like when you're done using your computer, if you want to close it, like you want to shut it down, you come to this window, what, window button, you click on it, you get this power settings. For our case we want to what, shut it down. You click on power, it brings you these options like restart. You can press on it and your computer restarts. For shutting down, if you want to what, you want to close the computer fully, you can click on that. But if you want to just let it rest and you resume to working through it, you can press on what, sleep. But if you want to shut it down when you're done using it, you can click on it and it what, shuts down automatically. So for today we are ending here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channels. More videos are still on the way coming. I love you all.